Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Bybit. First, open the Bybit app and tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Then select Withdraw. Use the search bar at the top to find USDT. Once you locate it, tap on it and you will be asked to enter a deposit address. To get this address, open the MEXC mobile app. Tap on Wallets, then Deposit. After that, select On-Chain Deposit. Next, select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Next, choose a network. For this example, we'll use BEP20 because it has lower gas fees. Once the network is selected, you'll see a QR code and a deposit address. Copy the address. Go back to your Bybit account and paste the copied address in the required field. Make sure to select the same network you chose in MEXC, which is BEP20. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Bybit to MEXC, then tap Withdraw at the bottom right corner. Your USDT will now be transferred from Bybit to MEXC safely and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.